Hi, I'm Ed Davis, the president here at Sealoom, and I want to take just a minute to introduce you to CircleStar. This tile's name says it all. To start, yeah, these tiles are plastic, and that's a good thing. CircleStar 2x2 ceiling tiles are made from our Featherlight Series 13,000 thick rigid vinyl, which makes them lighter, easier to clean, and more versatile than any ceiling tile you've ever seen or felt before. First, don't let their weight fool you. This thermoform design, combined with the inherent strength of vinyl, makes these tiles rigid, durable, and incredibly easy to install and maintain. Class A fire rated, 100% recyclable, completely waterproof, Greenguard Gold Certified for indoor air quality, and made in the USA. With CircleStar in your ceiling, you can't help but look up and smile. Available in 12 designer colors and finishes, they're also pretty easy on the eyes. Installing couldn't be easier. Simply pop them into your standard 1-inch T-bar grid system. Most ceilings will have some less than full-size border sections. For those, you'll need to choose a separate border tile. Our Southland ceiling tiles are the perfect border partner. If you have any questions or would like to see a free sample, please do not hesitate to give us a call. And remember, you belong under Sealoom.